What's good, guys? It's Nessa and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my experience using the Bentonite clay mask on my hair. This is a mask that's highly hyped up here on YouTube, and since my hair has been very dry lately, I am dealing with protein overload. I figured, why not? What's the worst that can happen, right? So I'm going to show you everything from beginning to end. If you guys are interested, just make sure you keep on watching. If you are new here, welcome. We do everything beauty here on this channel. I would love for you to subscribe if you enjoy the content here, and don't forget to hit the notification bell as well so you can know each and every single time that I do have a new upload for you. And now let's just get into this video, right? Okay, so right now I am going to make the clay and I'm going to show you. You will need either a plastic or glass bowl. You don't want to use anything aluminum, and you also need either a spoon or a fork, and this one has to be plastic as well. The next thing that you'll need is your clay, of course. This is the Indian Healing Clay, which I got off of Amazon, and I'm going to mix this with my apple cider vinegar. I made sure I purchased the organic kind. I got this from Publix, but you can get this from Whole Foods, also Amazon, or any other healthy food store. So yeah, I'm creating a mess here, but if you guys want to purchase any of these online, I can link them for you in the description box. Check it out. Right now I am giving the container a pretty good shake and I am mixing it with the clay. Now once you do that, you are going to get a reaction that's normal. It is going to start bubbling up. There's nothing wrong with that. You can go ahead and start mixing everything together. And the result that you need is a very smooth paste. You don't want to have any lumps in your mixture. Some people do mix with oils. That wasn't what I was trying to do. My purpose was to detoxify and remove everything from my hair. So I just kept it simple. Alrighty guys, so I am starting off with 4 sections as per usual, and I'm about to start applying this mask. Now this thing stinks, so you want to make sure that you are in a well ventilated place so you don't suffocate, and this space is smooth. This is how you want your paste to look like whenever you are doing this mask. Now I started off with wet hair, but if your hair does start drying up, you can go ahead and spray some more water. I have a spray bottle here. You can spray some more water on it because you want your hair to feel smooth. You want it to be manageable. I made sure that I applied the mask all over my hair, including my scalp. I know some people do advise against it, but I did not have any issues with itchiness or anything like that. And my purpose was to detoxify everything, not just my hair, but also my scalp. So I applied it all over, and I'm making sure that I am working this thing through. I am not leaving anything behind. Every strand of hair was well coated with this mask. And this is what you want to make sure you do as well if you are going to go through this process. So I pretty much went ahead and did this all over my hair. I'm just giving my hair as much love as needed and also detangling as I go along, adding more water whenever needed. Now I made a mistake of trying to detangle my hair in this state. Don't do it, okay? Don't do it. Just use your fingers as you apply water and apply the paste. It is going to get a lot better, so don't use any comb at all when you are doing this process. It is not a good idea. So you see how to make the mixture, you see how to apply it to your hair. We're going to talk a little bit about what the clay is and what the claims are. So the bentonite clay is derived from volcanic ash. It is said to add moisture and remove toxins from your hair. So if you are dealing with dry scalp, dry damaged hair, frizzy hair, heat damaged hair, your hair lacks moisture, this is usually the time that you would reach out for the bentonite clay because it's pretty much helping you reset your hair. You're just starting over. You're just removing all the impurities, the toxins, the excess dirt, or the oils that are clogging your hair cuticles, your pores, so that you can just start with just beautiful moisturize hair, if that makes sense. You don't have to use a shampoo after you do the clay mask because it does act as a shampoo. Remember, it draws out excess dirt and oils, so you don't need to use a shampoo. Some people do. It's up to you, but you just, doing double work if you do that. But again, that's up to you, whatever floats your boat. Now, adding the apple cider vinegar to the clay is helping out with balancing out the pH of your hair. So the acidity level of the apple cider is helping with making your hair cuticles lay flat, lay closed, which results in shiny, smooth, and soft hair. You are going to or supposed to get less frizz. Your hair will be less tingly. You'll deal with less breakage, less dryness, and less hair loss. So those are the claims, and this is what people usually use. The mixture of the apple cider vinegar and the bentonite clay. Again, there are different ways for you to do this recipe. For me, I just kept it simple. I only added the apple cider vinegar and the bentonite clay. Other people add water and oils. You can always do a search on Google or YouTube just to see the different variations of doing the bentonite clay mask. I just wanted to keep it simple, and this is exactly what I do. So if you guys want to follow this, by all means, feel free to do so. And please let me know. Let me know in the comment section if this was useful to you. My husband did not care that I was filming that day, also. I am so sorry about that. The front of my hair was very tangled, so I had a little bit of issues there, but I managed to get through it. I think altogether, the process took me about 45 minutes, if I'm not mistaken. It did not go up to 1 hour. It was under 1 hour. I think it was about 45 minutes. So, I mean, it is a little lengthy, and I do have quite a good amount of hair. So, yeah, you definitely want to make sure that you take the time to do it, especially when you are finger detangling, because you don't want to suffer any hair breakage as you are applying the mask, because as time goes by, it starts drying up on your hair, and you want to make sure that you are not damaging your hair as you are doing that. But yeah, it was a pretty smooth process, pretty easy, just took me a little while. Now I'm just going to give you guys a 360 view of what my hair looks like. Like you can see, I have definition. The curls are coming through, okay? And they are clumping together. If only it would stay that way after I rinsed it out. I ended up using most of the content of the bowl. I made a whole lot because I did not want to have to go back and remix. That's not my religion, okay? So now I'm just gonna rinse this thing out of my hair. I am definitely taking my time. I'm not pulling on my hair, and I am making sure that I am removing everything from my hair, including my scalp. You want to make sure that you massage the paddles of your fingers on your scalp so that you can remove everything, because you don't want any residue of the clay left on your scalp or your hair. So just make sure you do that. Okay, so you guys can see here that my hair looks good. It looks clumped together. It still has that definition as I am rinsing it out, but right after I finished rinsing it out, it did puff up again. So I don't know what happened there, okay? All the frizziness came back. I just don't know. So if you ask me if I think that doing a bentonite clay mask is a miracle solution to dry, frizzy hair, I probably will say no. Again, my hair is super dry from protein overload, so that could be the issue here. I don't know, but this frizziness, this puffiness right here is not the business, okay? Now, this is all part of my wash day routine. I did not want this video to be too long, so I broke it up. If you want to know when I post the next one, just be sure that you are subscribed and also your notifications are turned on so you don't miss out. Now, until I post that next video, if you would like to see more content from me, just check out the screen. I will have a few videos posted there for you. Would love to have you part of the family. Thank you for hanging out with me once again today, and I will catch you in the next one.